In our industry, machines breakdown can be very costly and unpredictable. Sometimes customers turn to cheaper pirated parts, thinking as long as it works. But this rarely lasts. It can cost time, money and trust, and worse, occupational hazards. I'm Robert Neukäufer, Managing Director of Bauer Equipment Malaysia. Our Bauer machines has stood for performance, quality and continuous improvement. Our rigs, cranes and tools support the special foundation industry and mining sectors. We have partnered with Bosch Rexroth over 25 years. Each of our machines runs with more than 50 Rexroth motors, pumps, valves and other components.
Hi, we are from Bosch Rexroth. My name is Iqbal and I'm from Service Department. How does Reman work? It starts when we receive the motor from our customer Bauer. From there, we will conduct a detailed inspection. Then, we will disassemble the motor, replace all internal components with genuine Rexroth parts, and reassemble it with care. Once assembled, we run a performance test, matching the original customer specifications to ensure peak performance. Finally, we certify the motor and deliver it back to the customer with new warranty.
Hi, I'm Brandon. With Reman, our components made it through the exchange program. We built using our Rexroth genuine internal parts. It's a reliable, efficient solution that meets the same high standards and Bauer's exact specifications. Reman helps us cut costs up to 40%, which is a much shorter lead time compared to buying new. It also supports our sustainability goals, reducing waste, lowering our carbon footprints, and giving all parts a second life.
If you are looking to cut down on cost, Reman is a smart choice. It's safe, it's reliable, and easy on the budget. And it's already trusted across the industry.